The liver chestnut mare Belaja is catalog number 16. She is 5 years old and bred by Borsalino, Florestan 1, Parademarsch 1 and Perlkönig 1. This noble liver chestnut mare by Borsalino descends from a highly successful dam line. Rhythm, diligence and a good basic training make Belaja an interesting dressage horse. The sires Disco Stern, Pret-à-Porter result from the third generation. And this exceptional dam line also provided the licensed stallions Dragon Hill, Romador 1 and 2, Zigantini, Premium Stallion 2013, and Ferentino, the Premium Stallion 2016. Further, the State Premium Mare Romy, she was champion mare of the Elite Show 2010, and State Premium Mare Estelle and Etienne, both reserve champions of their mare shows, and also the Grand Prix horse Languedoc by Laomedon.